welcome again. Today we're gonna create a layout to show this scroll animation that we have here. This is not a layout, this is just a print that I took on my laptop. We're gonna need to create this screen, and also we're gonna need to add a background to this chat page. I'm gonna start with background, probably gonna be easy. I just need to find some image on Google. Yeah, so I'm not worried about copyright because this app I'm not going to sell. I'm not sure. I don't think there is a problem to use those images from Google if it's not related to any project that you want to sell or to earn money. I will search a little bit more about that, and maybe we can search during the video, but for now I'm just trying to find a PNG background. Let's see, PNG background for chat. Maybe we could use a linear color. It's really better than the background that was before, so maybe we don't need to worry about adding an image here. Just with linear color seems good enough to me. So let's leave it like that for now. We can back this box, and now I think this is gonna be the last part of our UX design, at least at the moment. So let's fish here. I want to change. Okay, so we can remove these. We can also remove the group. Remove that. Remove. Okay, so we have some chats here that we want to bring it up. Okay, my bad here. It should be a group. Okay, let's create a group. Nice. Here's a group. Yeah, it is. Nice. So let's select all of them. Move it up. Maybe more. I will delete. Let me delete this chat. Okay. Let's move. Yeah, seems okay to me. Let's just copy those last two. What's the distance? 15. So let's get 15 of distance. Nice. Now it's just a matter of creating this rectangle. Okay, like here. And now move it back. What else? Here. Okay, nice. We need to increase a little bit more, maybe 95. No, it's too long. 92. Okay, 92. Seems good. In my case, I will put a little bit bigger. Maybe I'm gonna try to use 20 of space between the edge of the header with the button. So let's see how it goes. So now we have what we have 4. Okay, so we need more, 16. Okay, maybe like this. No, it's so big. Maybe we don't need all of that, 100 maybe. Yeah, looks better to me. Let's select and move it back. Maybe like this. Now the color that we want is the same that we have here, so maybe let's just copy this color. Is 75, and what is the blur that we put here? Blur of 20. Nice. So this and effect blur 20. Nice. So what if now we have a shot like here? Maybe I'm gonna increase the size of the header, but let's see first how this is gonna be. Okay, so this is the start bar. I want this group to be like that, just so we can see the effect that we have. Okay, this icon here is also changing the color. In this case, what we can do is maybe not removing, maybe just changing the color. Like this is fine. Let's change this color as well. Like this is also fine. But this seems to be like just changing here, but I'm not sure. I will leave it like that for now. I know it's a bit stranger, but seems better to me. We have some effects here for drop shadow. That's not what I want. Or maybe white. Let's see. Nah. Let's just keep like that and put the title on. That's maybe 24. Nope. 20 or 18. Nice. And symboled or bold? Symboled. Nice, guys. Let's just put the middle, and there we go. This is different. I think they are using like a linear like this, but something like this, and probably this color is not too different from that one, so we can use the same. And here we can just remove the background a little bit, something like this, and probably this color is not too different from that one, so we can use the same. And here we can just remove the background a little bit. Yes, so I think that's the idea that they have. We could do the same, but let's see during the implementation if we really need to do the last part. We don't need that, but I'm going to do just so the layout's gonna be really similar to the real implementation, maybe 4 or even 2 or 3. Now we want to use reduce, but now let's just copy that color. Okay, looks great, and this is gonna be our scroll. So we start to scroll, we have this custom header, different from the one. I guess that's all. So yeah guys, so this is our UI design. Let's remove, don't need that anymore. Maybe I can remove a little bit. Put here. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this splash screen with the icons. The icons are up here. Okay, so we have chats page. We're gonna show the chats that the user have. This is the chat, but with scroll, it's gonna change, and this is inside the conversation. I'm not going to create a design for calls and settings. The only thing that I'm going to do that I just remember now is change the icon for settings. Maybe this one. So let's change the color to 8, 123, 123. Download. Okay, so let's come here and paste here inside settings. Why you are not working? I know why it's not working. This is the file that we have a component for navigation bar. So the only thing that I need to do is changing on further. So we want the settings. Now we want to copy this position 8, 8, and now the size. The size is 26. 26. Nice. And now we can just ignore the old icon, and just like that we have the change reflected to all of the child components. Okay, so I guess that's it. Feel free to change the icon or any icon that you want. Okay guys, next video we're gonna start to create projects, start coding. Finally we're gonna set up a project with Expo and React Native. The next video I promise that you're gonna start to see real change, and also you're gonna be able to see on your device. Okay, this is a feature that Expo provides. You can just scan the QR code and watch your changes on your cell phone. Yes, this is all for this video. Thank you again. And yes, that's it. Thank you.